movie night behind the clubhouse.
Free movie night at the clubhouse. We got chips, we got hot Cheetos, and we got a movie at the clubhouse.
Oh, what's up, Mr. Chad?
Whatever. Yo, tell him 7 o'clock. My bad.
So we're out here with Caring Place Sidewalk here in Indianapolis. Chad Michael, tell us, what are we doing today?
So today we are setting up and we're gonna be having a movie night completely free for the neighborhood. It's gonna be a lot of fun. There's gonna be a lot of kids out here. It's gonna be a good time.
Hanging out in downtown Indianapolis today, and it is my lucky day because today is All American Rib Fest. Don't even know what that is, but we're gonna go check it out. So this building behind me is the Indiana War Memorial, and it looks like they're cleaning it, which really stinks because it looks like a super dope building. Okay, inside the Soldiers and Sailors Monument, you have two options. You can either take the elevator, I don't even know if you can see it, or you can take the stairs. There's so many stairs. We chose the elevator.
Warning, jumping in this elevator will result in emergency shutdown. Visitors will be trapped inside for a long time.
This is the world's tiniest elevator.
Like right at the corner of the street, so purple on the bottom and gray brick. That's where my wife and I lived until we started having this kid.
I'm afraid to move too much because I'm afraid if I touch something, I might get tetanus. I just want to meet the man who designed the architecture of the entrance and exit situation and just ask him why.